What's the meaning of bellicosity? Bellicosity. Bellicosity.
Bellicosity. Bellicosity. Bellicosity is a term used to describe the tendency and inclination towards aggression and hostility. It refers to an attitude of belligerence, warlike behavior, and a readiness to fight. This can manifest in different ways, including verbal aggression, physical violence, or a general attitude of defiance. The term is often used to describe nations or individuals who are overly aggressive and confrontational. Bellicosity is a negative trait that can lead to conflicts and animosity, and it is generally seen as undesired in personal relationships, business dealings, and international politics. It is important to address bellicosity and promote peaceful conflict resolution for the sake of maintaining healthy and harmonious relationships.